Brazilian powerhouse, Hugo Calderano enters with explosive forehands. His rhythm is ice cold, but every shot carries danger. Facing him is France's rising star, Alexis Lebrun, sharp in both skill and strategy. After dropping the first game, Hugo strikes back with dominant control. This is the 2024 WTT champions Incheon round of 16. Who can handle the pressure? Who truly controls the pace? The match begins with both players attacking at high speed.
One, two. Two. Three or.
Hugo's received flick lacks a bit of quality. A thrilling long-distance rally. Both players hold their ground. Hugo's opening flick is strong, but his follow-up pace is a bit rushed. He steps around and attacks the diagonal. Great speed and placement. Lebrun stays calm under pressure and takes the first game. Nice disguise from Hugo. Great backswing feint. A string of unforced errors breaks his rhythm. Lebrun plays from deep. More soft spin control from Hugo would be effective. Three strong forehand attacks from Hugo shift the momentum. A service error from Lebrun gives Hugo the game. It's 1-1. Lebrun steps up with more aggressive attacks. Hugo sidespins, recovers fast, and counter loops. Great timing and initiative. Unforced errors remain the key issue. Lebrun's short control falls short. Hugo punishes with a forehand attack.
Lebrun.
Who can handle the pressure? Who truly controls the pace? Hugo stays hot and keeps the pressure on.
Six.
The momentum shifts fully. Hugo takes full control. Lebrun slows things down to improve consistency and regain rhythm. Hugo finishes strong with aggressive play, 11-6 to seal the win.